This is Rachel. Rachel is a college student majoring in finance. She's been trying to land a job in finance for months now. But like most college students, she's struggling with the frustrations of sending hundreds of resumes and getting no responses, lacking relevant work experience, realizing that most job websites are not built for college students, her school's low reputation among finance recruiters, as well as how to make the most out of the limited amount of jobs posted by her school's jobs website. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Recruiters too find it difficult to connect with the best talent. They too wish there was a better way out. Every day, thousands of companies search for highly motivated and smart students to recruit. But many times, recruiters find it difficult connecting with the best talent. Recruitment can be daunting for both recruiters and students. The high cost of recruiting on college campuses oftentimes makes it impossible for recruiters to access top talent. Recruiters too wish there was a better way out. Well, the long wait is over. There is a better way. Introducing TyraNect, the place where college recruiters and college students connect. TyraNect is the one platform created to facilitate a smooth and easy connection between college students and recruiters in the marketplace. With TyraNect, students and recruiters can streamline their efforts and have access to targeted job opportunities. For recruiters, TyraNect enables them to save a lot of time while targeting just the right talent and saving big on the rising costs associated with campus recruiting. Traditional paper resumes do not normally capture a student's full value proposition. For students, TyraNect enables them to showcase their strengths, skills, and interests through a dynamic profile. This is how it works. Step 1. Open a free account. Step 2. Build your dynamic profile. And Step 3. Get discovered, connect, and apply. It's that easy. Sign up today to get started. With TyraNect, getting your first professional job has never been this simple. Sign up today and experience the new way of getting the most out of your job hunting.